Hi everyone, my name is Tiffany and I'm a fourth year dental student at Roseman University. A couple weeks ago I volunteered to join a trip with Bright Island Outreach and it was one of the best experiences that I've ever had. I was actually extremely hesitant on going on this trip because of the scary things I was hearing on the news, friends and family telling me not to go. But luckily I'm stubborn and I still went. But as soon as I arrived at the airport, I felt totally different. There were people playing like music and singing. We stayed at this really cute hotel called NAMASTE. We had breakfast every morning downstairs in one of the rooms and the bacon was really good. Some of my favorite memories from this trip was going to the beach, and there was this tree that had these little fruits that you can crack open and eat. That was really cool, and I've never experienced anything like it, like eating something right off the beach. I met a dog. One of my most favorite things was probably playing this dominoes game with the locals. I couldn't understand what they were saying. They didn't know what I was saying, but somehow we figured out how to play the game.
Yes. What? What? Right? Wait, there's cheating. No, I was cheating. Yes.
So we suck?
Yes, we suck.
You're cheating.
No, you're cheating.
Who's cheating?
Nobody's cheating.
So we worked 3 days out of the week that we were staying there. The next day she brought me a note, and I'll kind of show you guys here. And it was just so sweet. I'm really happy that I could take something like that home with me, like a piece of memory. Working in the clinic was really hot. Man, I was like really sweating everywhere. Ooh, did I forget to talk about the food? Food is amazing. They always fed us a lot. We always had beans, chicken, and rice, and I love all of those three. Delicioso. One of my other favorite memories is these shades. Oh my gosh, I made everybody wear this the last day of our trip, which I thought was a lot of fun. It's super goofy, and I don't know, this just like shows like we just had fun, you know? It was just such a good time. Thank you! It just brought joy to this trip. Like, woo! I want to try to keep this short, so I'll just leave it at that. So you all have a nice, wonderful day, and if you do go, have a lot of fun.
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres.